bafethu hayi uphumile episode 12. Uphumile episode 12 kuthathelwe Sithembu mhla 26 February. First things first, ithe into iqala sibona uMacele ehambisana nobani noMakhwela beyobheka uMseleku esibhedlela. Hayi bafethu-ke ekufikeni kwabo lapho nabo bayasaba ngoba phela esesimene sikanje uMthombeni kungase kufike noma ubani ozofika azomvakashela. So abazi ukwenzakalani ngoba phela umama omusha lo akakabikwa kwabanye abafazi. Yayibona lento le usaziwe uMacele kuphela. Ngoba laba abanye basahlehlile hayi asifuna ukumazi abanye bathi siyahamba mangamazi. Anyways, hayi bafika bafisa esibhedlela bafika uMthombeni uhleli laphayana nomfana wakhe uLwandle lo ozalwa uMacele. And ibandla wabamukela kahle uMthombeni naye umfana wabamukela kahle ngabefika ngona nje ukuthi i-crew eshuthayo ye-production is not allowed in the ward, but-ke bashaya yonke into with a cell phone ukuthi bashuthe phela just ukuthi babe nayo nabo i-footage ethile bekhathi befika. And ibandla usisi la uSamke is quite saddened by ukubona uMthombeni isimo akusona. In one of her diary sessions uyayisho indaba yokuthi yazi indlela ade iyona manje uMthombeni efaka emshinini engakaze ambone egula ebekade beqeda kubonana nje einsukwini, and then all of a sudden usesibhedlela umuntu angakaze ambone ekhwehlela. Uyabona kubhlungu yabo yonke lento lena it says so much. Hayi ngiyabona kuze kuphuma unyembezi lehla ngehlathi ngabona ukuthi hayi kunzima ngempela umusha entweni phela uyaqala ufika la yabo nawe indlela ukuthi uzothola into enhle khona and akusenzeki. And it was quite sad. And on top of that naye bandla uyasho uMthombeni ukuthi hayi usisi bengithi mhlawumbe uzoba ne-test yokungena emndenini ngoba abantu bayakhuluma, but le test akuyona ngoba uMthombeni esesibhedlela eqala nokuzwana phela into yabe it's fairly new, it's not something mhlawumbe kana 3 years or whatever, isayitsha. So already sefanele umuntu ozomelana nomuntu wesilisa ogulayo abone ukuthi mhlawumbe bazomisa kanjani nayo konke lokho. It's quite sad bandla kuyena kakhulu. But anyways-ke ngokusho kwakhe manje uMthombeni uyasho ukuthi hayi right, uyabonga ukuthi bakwazile ukuthi bafike, and he was quite relieved. Umbonana ukuthi hayi indoda shothi hayi mhlawumbe ngenzeke mhlawumbe iphume noma inini indlela ebuya ngayo. Ayikase kuvela ke indaba ukuthi ngathi kukhona ozayo. Hayi babona ukuthi hayi kumele ke manje sisishele ngempela bazama ukuthi bapurukutshele babale ngoba phela lo zayo akwazi ukuthi ubani uzofika kanjani yonke lento leyo. Nakhona futhi uMacele wayemtshelile phela uMakhwela ukuthi lalela-ke uma sisesibhedlela ngoba kuyinto yokuthi sihlangana nombani ungahambe eduze nami ungishiye isikhala kancane ukuze bangasiboni sihamba ndawonye ngoba phela abanye ngiyacabanga ukuthi abakamazi uMakhwela. Kodwa bakwazile baze bafika emotweni baphambane nje noMakhumalo kuphela endleleni. Kodwa uMakhumalo azange abone lutho ngoba phela naye beze esibhedlela wabona ukuthi uMacele kodwa uxakekile uMakhumalo ukuthi manje uMacele why she gave me such an eye, kwenzakalani yabo. But anyways-ke they went to the car basebehamba kahle-ke, and then later on uMacele bahlangane noMayeni uzokhulunywa-ke manje ukuthi uzomnikeza i-feedback basically ukuthi the meeting that they had before ukhulunywa kwagcinaphi and what is the way forward yabo. And bafethu yabona uMayeni bafethu hayi qhawe uMayeni nje is still adamant and is still standing on the fact ukuthi uMseleku ukulesimo akusona ngenxa yezinqumo zakhe azithathile yabo. So uMacele kuveza ukuthi banomthelelo ekuthenini abe kulesimo akusona uMseleku. Hayi ubani yena uthi yena hayi mina ngibe lapho, hayi ngangibali lapho, ningangibali lapho. I think that's a bit selfish ngoba as it is right now uMayeni kwayena akekho emagcina kaMseleku ukubo noma kuthiwa kukanjani kodwa ngeke ngamphathi kabi leyo nto leyo uMseleku. It might not be the major contributor ekuthenini aze alale esibhedlela, but nakho kunomthelela, we cannot ignore that. For her uMayeni to ignore that is just being ignorant. I understand, it's just being ignorant. The conversation continues for the night. Aqhubeke asho-ke ukuthi-ke la ekhona uMseleku it's because of his own selfish needs. Ngoba ukholele ekuthenini ushasho uMayeni ukuthi phela lo muntu obe laphayana yena ufuna ukwenza izinto ngendlela yakhe ethandwa uyena, kanti ngeke uze kwenzeke kanjalo. Guys, kanti esabani isithembu ngoba esakho phela uMseleku akusona esakhe isithembu ba amakhosikazi phakathi kwesithembu sikaMseleku. So uMseleku angeke asihambise ngendlela yakashibase isithembu kube kuyesakaMseleku, akwazi ukwenza kanjalo. usengasho yena uShibasa ukuthi into A no B no C angiyithandi. Yes. But ngazasho ukuthi isithembu sala ekhaya ngifuna sihambe kanje. That's a totally different story. Ngoba phela esakho umsele angi-understand ukuthi bekade thina noma yini ngalokho. Yabo ngoba manje usise kusho ukuthi usabhithi ukuthi wasayela ngemuva kuyona yonke le ndawo shame bandla. Hayi uzoba strong, Ndwakoto uzoba strong. So they continued to conversate for the rest of the evening. Bakhuluma-ke ngalesimo sakhe umthombeni nanesimo sabo ukuthi ibone bahlangane babumbane bakhombise uba ndawonye kulesimo esibucayi bandla uMacele uyazama yabo ukuthi kube khona ukuhlangana okukhona emndenini. Ngoba kwathintwa-ke nendaba yamfana lo owakhe uMayeni uPhumelele. Hayi uMayeni uyaqhathula kuyona yonke ukuthi hey umuntu ozwana noMpumelelo uyazazi ukuthi enza angiyingeni ngoba nje hayi ukuhamba lifuza imbiza ufuza uyise umfana lo indlela azenza ngayo izinto hayi uthi nje hayi cha akayingeni at all usho kanjalo uMayeni. So intombazana ozona naye akazi ukuthi uzwana naye kodwa angamzaleli, sicela angamzaleli ngoba phela uyomzala ngokwakhe lo muntu hayi ngoba emzalela ukuthi lo ngane izemini izohlala nami. Cha akayisebenzi leyo nto leyo. Hayi kwaba into ephela kanjalo-ke. And then the third segment of the show, and then-ke uThobile abize i-meeting between herself, uMbali noMacele bezokhuluma indaba yabantwana ukuthi have they been informed about indaba kaMthembeni ukuthi ngabe sesimene sikanje usesibhedlela kwaphela abanye abantwana basey'koleni. uMbilo uyachaza badla uMakhumalo uthi hayi uMbilo usesikoleni, uAbongwe naye kukanjena, uyabona uyachaza nabo wabuka abazukulu babuzwe-ke naye uMacele ukuthi ngabazukulu bayazi yini ukuthi hayi labo umuntu angakatshela untombazana lo uAbongwe ukuthi isimo sababakhe sinjani ngoba naye ngathi sesimene sokubhala. Lento phela last year May if not June. So I think it was around exam time yonke lento yenzeka yabo. So ngiyacabanga at that time obviously sebeyazi manje ngoba ku-TV yabo, but at that time obviously they had no idea what was going on. And kubuye kuqhutshekwe kukhulunywe ngendaba ye-party yakhe ngoba phela at some point uMseleku wayefisa ukuthi mayesehlanisa 50 eminyaka 50 years ukuthi enze indumezulu yokugubha kwalelo minyaka le. Yabo ngoba mase vele wavela ukugula-ke kuzokwenzakalani. Hayi bavele banikeza ijoke-ke uMbali athi hayi-ke Mbali awuzame ukuthi uyilungise le ndaba le ubone ukuthi mhlambe iphathi ungayihlela yini. Hey bafethu abona abafazi uMbali uthi hayi akaboni ukuthi kuzokwazi ukwenzeka kodwa-ke uyasho ukuthi uma kuwukuthi kuyenzeka kusukela ngakuyena ayikho inkinga angakwenza ngoba vele it would be more like a farewell party ngoba kahle uyaphuma vele usiyahamba ngokusho kwakhe. Hayi bafethu izona igaba ey'ntathu ezenzakalile kwi-episode yanamhlanje. Ezinye zobe sikhulume-ke ngakho-ke sesicubungula and dissect the whole episode ukuthi kahle what transpired, what happened. Okay, so only 3 things that I just spoke about. It was the visitation esesibhedlela between uMacele noMakhwele bobheka uMseleku befica nolwandle, and then the second was the meeting between uMacele noMayeni, and then thirdly it was a meeting between the 3 wives without uMayeni being involved. uMayeni angazi why engafuni ukuba involved. In fact yazi uzoyasho lapho uMacele ukuthi yazi madoda yami sengikhathele weKhumalo uMakhumalo uthi ngihambisa umyalezo, and uyasho nawo uMakhumalo uthi ngabe uyakwenza manje ukuthi the last time eba ne-meeting noMayeni kuthiwa wathi uThobile ngoshela isikhathi yabo. Le beef yabo le, someone has a beef with another person kanjani yabona nami ngaba ne-stress yona yonke lento le. Anyways guys, thank you so much for coming through to my channel. My name is Azad. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.